this is how you want to start your video, Nemesis. This looking like this. This is a whatever makes you happy, queen. Yes. I'm Nemesis. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, as per usual, before we get started, let's talk about the song of the week. This past week, I discovered who Miss Ashnikko was. And one of my favorite songs from her last album, other than Slumber Party, which if you know, you know. Other than that, the song Good While It Lasted, I don't know, it hits different. It hits different in my heart. It just reminds me of early 2000s, like punk rock. No, not even punk rock, just emo, just emo-ness. She's fun though. I really recommend that album. Alright, let's move on. So as you saw by the title of today's video, baby, we're gonna do something new on this channel today. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Miss Tymo. Miss Tymo has sent me their Tymo ring, and I am super excited because several reasons. First of all, it's a brush. Second of all, I've seen a lot of other curly girls on social media use and approve of it. And third, I think I have reached a point in my natural hair journey that my hair is healthy enough for me to play around with heat styling tools again and not completely mess up my hair. But do not get me wrong, sis. Do not get me wrong. This is not gonna be a constant thing because I'm just falling in love so deeply with my natural hair. I don't know, I just feel more like myself. I feel more accepting of me, myself, and I when I am wearing my natural hair. But I think it is fun. It's like putting on a costume. Let's just get started. Okay. I freshly washed my hair right now. It's already dry. And for those of you who have wondered how my hair looks like without any styling products on it, this is it. All I have on my hair was some leave-in conditioner, and then I just dried it. Let's actually talk about this tool, shall we? So the Tymo ring is a hair straightening comb that is made of ceramic teeth, and the V shape of these prevent hair from breaking like up to 50%. And also something really cool about it is that it's on right now. It's on, it's fully on, and it's hot, but I can't burn myself by touching this. So like all the heat is coming really from deep inside the comb, and it's super safe to use. Like this gets warm, but honestly it doesn't burn me as much as a traditional hair straightener would. Also, it has 5 heat settings. It goes from 266 degrees Fahrenheit up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna be using mine today at a level 3. Let me also walk you through what it has inside. It also includes this little brush, and I really like it. And it also includes 2 pins, which are gonna be very useful to divide my hair. And finally, a glove. They have kindly given me a code to share with you guys. I'll put it here, and I will put it in the description down below, along with a link to their website and an Amazon link, just in case you want to shop there instead. All right, so let's actually start the process. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually kind of nervous. Even though I know that the technology of this hair tool is made to prevent breakage, to not really heat damage your hair that much, I'm still nervous because I haven't done this in such a long time. And one of the main reasons why I started my natural hair journey is because I heat damaged my hair so much up to the point that I was starting to lose hair. All right, so I'm gonna grab a little chunk like this. I think that's not bad. I'm just gonna brush it through with this, and I don't know, pray that this actually works. How in the hell? That was so easy. You guys saw. Let's do that again. That was fun. Let's do that again. Okay, I grabbed a bit of a chunkier piece of hair. Let's see if it works as well as it did with that smaller piece. Wow. Wow, this is really nice. And you know, like, I've watched videos of other curly girls trying this, and I saw how good it performed, but I was still like, there's no way. A brush? A brush? I'm thinking to myself, like, wow, having a tool like this when I was growing up, or at least like during those years that I would not, you know, like go to school unless I had my hair straight. Like, having a tool like this would have really made my life better. Or at least a little bit easier, because I used to wake up like at the crack of motherfucking dawn just so that I could straighten my hair or like re-straighten it and just make sure that it was as silky as possible, because if not, I felt like I looked, you know, ugly. Oh, it's not. It doesn't smell burnt. Wow, and that was so freaking fast and easy, bro. It was so easy. Also, since the outside of the bristles, I mean, not the bristles, the teeth don't really get hot. I'm like, I can really get close to my roots and it's not burning my scalp. My God, why wasn't this created when I was growing up? Sis, the difference. I'm gonna go straight in this section. I'll be right back, because we've already seen how this works on this lower part of my hair. I'll be right back. Okay, this is the whole lower half straightened, and like, it not only has been so long since I last saw my hair straight, but straight and healthy. Because last year, yes, I was seeing my hair straight like at the beginning of the year, but it didn't look like this. Oh my God, the ends. I wish this is how my ends looked at the beginning of the year. They were fried. Okay, let's release this part of my hair. Yes. Let me brush through this. Yes, queen. Oh my God, I should wear my hair out like this one day. Like, hello. Let me relax. These clips came in clutch. Thank you, Tymo, for including that in your kit. I wonder if I could just brush through this without even dividing it. Like, if it's going to give me the same effect. Let's see. Jesus Christ, I look like I just got a blowout. Like, ooh. I'm gonna do the same on this side. I just want to get it done quick. Also, I feel like this hair tool would just be freaking perfect for people that like just need to get ready in the morning really quick, and you do happen to straighten your hair like on the regular. And for people who have even looser of a wave pattern than me, girl, this 5 minutes with this and you're gonna be good. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. There's something interesting about my hair. So this part, like these top parts, tend to get a little bit curlier, a little bit wavier than the bottom half of my hair. So I think that's why like the lower sections of my hair straighten so quickly, but the top parts, like you can definitely still see some like little waves poking through. Like they don't want to be straight. And I know I can just increase the heat of this to just straighten that wave out real quick, but I don't want to do that. Also, I'm very happy with this. I feel like this is straight as shit. This is super straight, bro, compared to like what my hair usually looks like. This is what my hair usually looks like, you know, naturally styled, like a defining cream and some gel. Isn't she cute? Isn't she beautiful? I don't think you're gonna be seeing me like this very often, so if you like it, take a good hard look, baby. To finish this off, I'm gonna be using my little hair oil. I usually use this hair oil to scrunch out the crunch, but today we're gonna be using it for our roots to make sure that they are nourished, moisturized, hydrated. And take a couple of drops of the oil and just focus it down here. And honestly, I do recommend getting a tool like this because I feel like definitely the design of this ceramic brush situation is going to decrease the amount of breakage, the amount of heat damage that you're gonna get from straightening your hair. Like, I feel like this is the healthier way of styling natural curls and natural waves to be straight, you know? All right, guys, that's everything from me. Remember to use code Nemesis25 for 25% off on the Tymo website if you're interested in getting a tool for yourself or for a loved one, baby. You know, spread the love. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. We're a curl slash wave enthusiast. There we go, enthusiast channel over here. This is just a little special occasion, you feel me? Follow me on Instagram at Vimeo6 for more pictures of my face, and on TikTok at NemesisMarie6 for more personality intimate content. And most importantly, baby, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.